Yo, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your Western Union Netspend account. So basically, this is an account which was created under the collaboration with Netspend and Western Union. Netspend is a prepaid gift card preparing company, whereas Western Union is a big international, bank. So that's basically what these two are, and these two collaborated and they created like a card. So basically, if you have that card or like if you have an account, then you can log in into it, and I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, want to step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Now let's move on with today's video. First step, on your search engine, you want to search for Netspend Western Union login. After you search for it, it's going to show you all these things. So make sure to click on the first one where it says login Western Union Netspend account. Make sure it takes you to wnetspendprepaid.com, alright? Once you click on it, it's going to bring you to this website. You can see Western Union's logo and Netspend's logo. So that means you're at the correct website. Over here, enter the username of your account over here. After you enter your username, basically you want to enter the password of your account over here. After you enter the password of your account, click on login. And if the username and password entered over here is correct, then you should be able to log in into your Western Union Netspend account. And if you forgot your username or your password, you can click on username or password in order to recover your username or password, whichever thing you forgot. Alright. And if you want to open a new account, you can click on open a new account to sign up into Netspend and Western Union account. Alright. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can log in into your Western Union Netspend account. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel one to step. I'll be seeing you guys on my future video. Until then, bye bye, have a nice day and peace out.